rejects to the side.
The leaves are a good green, strong veins. Yes, and the new shoots look promising. Good. We'll check for any pests. None here. This batch is thriving. Excellent. The Jamun trees look healthy this season. Yes, the yield projections are very promising. How much are we expecting? About 20% more than last year. Excellent, indeed. Stack them carefully. We need to fit them all. Got it. This one's heavy. This vehicle's full. Move to the next one. All right, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Check these for size and color. Yes, this one is premium grade. Divert the rejects to the side shoot. Confirmed, quality is excellent.
These yields look strong for the season. Agreed, but check the logistics costs here. A slight increase. We can adjust the pricing. Good. Let's update the projections then. These containers keep the Jamun at optimal freshness for the long haul. Stacking the crates now to maximize space.
These Jamun are so fresh this year. Yes, let's make the display perfect. The color is just right. This arrangement will attract many buyers. Inshallah, it will.
This Jamun juice is exceptional, fresh from the orchard. Indeed, the flavor is so rich and pure, and so refreshing. Perfect for a hot day. We must make more. A true orchard treasure.
These Jamun are perfectly ripe for the preserves. The syrup is simmering. I'll keep stirring. I'll start filling the jars. The texture is just right. We can begin bottling.
The Jamun trees are blooming beautifully this season. Yes, the flowers are very delicate and fragrant. Look at these clusters. They will yield a fine harvest. Indeed. Let's check the other trees.
Okay, tree 045. Fruit count is 1,247. Got it, entering now. Check for any fallen fruit on the ground. Yes, adding that to the log. The Jamun seeds show excellent uniformity.
And the genetic data shows strong resilience markers.
Excellent. That confirms the seeds are viable.
Agreed. The results are very promising. The growth here is promising. Yes, the yield looks higher than last season. Let's check the soil pH. Good idea. This mulch helps. First, remove any dead or diseased branches. Next, thin out crowded areas to improve airflow. Finally, cut back long shoots to direct the tree's energy.
This branch is too low. It needs more light. Yes, I'll trim it now. Good. Now for the higher one. This looks much better.
Careful with the fruits. No bruising. Understood. Padding is in. Good. Seal this box. Sealed. Ready for the next.
Let's begin the final inspection for shipment. Checking size and color. On this one has a small blemish. Agreed, set it aside. Next tray.
Team, check the Jamun dashboard. Transit times are climbing.
I'm on it. Mumbai to Delhi route 24 in transit, 2 delayed.
Reroute the delayed ones via the backup hub. Update the ETAs.
Done, all green.
Team, secure those Jamun containers. Export prep is priority.
Forklift, move to bay 3. Crane, swing in. Watch the stack. Steady with that lift.
Steady now. Align the crates properly. Yes, keep them straight for the truck. Good pace. Check for any damage. All clear. Load the next batch. Excellent work.
Let's ensure these are perfect for gifting. Yes, they should look premium. I'm arranging the sweets neatly. This one is ready.
This phase 1 expansion aligns with our projections. Yes, but we must ensure water access here. Agreed. The soil map shows good potential. Good. Let's finalize this and proceed.
The Jamun fruit is ready for processing. I'll start the conveyor. The mixture is heating, stir it steadily. Adding the sugar now. Good. Now let's start dispensing. Syrup is flowing.
The bark looks healthy. Let's check the moisture. I'll scan this side. Moisture is 42%. Good readings. The health index is solid. Excellent. Let's check the next tree. Team, focus on the high branches. The fruit is perfect.
Yes, and the ground fruit is good too.
I'm on it. This bucket is almost full. Great work. Keep the pace. The demand for Jamun is very high this season. Yes, people are asking for it everywhere. Look at the quality. We can charge more. Good idea. Let's keep the supply steady.
The syrup must be infused with cardamom and rose water. And the dough balls are frying now. Now, we soak them until they double in size. Garnish with fresh jamun and nuts.
This soil is good. The saplings will grow strong here. Yes, and the sun is perfect for them. I'm placing this one now. Ready for water? Good. Water it well.
These saplings need plenty of water to thrive. Yes, especially in this heat. The roots are taking hold well. Let's check the back rows next. Everyone, masks up. Hygiene first. Yes, I'm checking the jamun now. Line is clean, ready for sorting. Good. Check for soft spots. Looks good. These are fine.
Observe the color uniformity on this batch. Yes, and the size is consistent. A few with minor blemishes. Grade B. Agreed. Set those aside. Excellent quality overall.
These will look perfect for the presentation. Yes, the polish makes them shine beautifully.
This one looks thick. Let's measure. All right, wrapping the tape now. Read it out. It's 1.8 meters around.
These jamuns look so fresh. Let's fill this basket evenly. Yes, and we'll add some leaves for decoration. Perfect. The showcase will be beautiful.
Behold the fruits of our labor, a truly abundant harvest. Indeed, brother, we stand proudly before this bounty. These jamun will bring prosperity to our community, a blessing from the land.
The system is ready for today's entry. Okay, the count from the crates is 250 kilograms. That matches the log. Go ahead and submit. Done. All saved. Labels are ready. Good. Keep the flow going. This batch is complete. Excellent. Next one.
The trees are looking very healthy this year. Yes, and the fruit is ripening well. Let's check these branches for any pests. This one looks clear. Very good.
Let's check the firmness on this batch. This one feels good, not too soft. Let me feel. Yes, firm texture. This batch is approved. Good. Let's check the next tray.
Sales of the 500G packs are up 12%. Good. And the juice bottles? Up 8% but below our target. We need to push those more. I'll adjust the marketing budget.
Welcome to our Jamun exhibition. We have fresh fruits, juice, and powder. Jamun is known for its antioxidants. This powder is great for diabetics. We source everything locally. Thank you for visiting.
The season's almost over. Let's get the last of the jamun. Yes, sir. The baskets are nearly full. Good. Check for any damaged fruit. All clear, sir. This is the final batch.
The jamun syrup is ready for tasting. The balance is perfect. Let's bottle it. Agreed. The color is so vibrant. Perfect. These will be great for the tasting. The initial results are in. Jamun's anthocyanin levels are exceptional.
That's higher than expected.
Confirmed. The antioxidant capacity is off the charts.
Excellent. That's a wrap on the analysis.